Good morning, Standard-10 students. Today I am going to explain you the new chapter, that is reflection. That reflection you have to do in graph paper and don't solve all the questions. Right? The question which is generally coming in the examination and board exam, that you have to solve. So I will tell you from where you will start to give the answer. Main thing to know how to do. You will start solving the question from 8 onward. 8, 9, 10 onward. Now what is reflection? You know that you have studied in physics the mirror. If we keep an object in front of the mirror, the image is formed, then the distance of the object from the mirror and distance of the image formed by the mirror is equal. Means object distance is equal to the image distance when an object is kept in front of a plane mirror. Same concept you have to keep in the reflection chapter. Now, you know that this is called graph. This is origin. Right hand side of the origin is positive x. Left hand side of the origin is negative x. Above the origin is positive y. Below the origin is negative y. Right. This is first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant. And this one is fourth quadrant. Don't you know that? What do you mean by first, second and third, fourth quadrant? In first quadrant, x is positive, y also positive value. X will positive value, y also positive value. In second quadrant, x is negative value and y is positive value. Y is positive, see here. X is negative because left hand side of the origin. In third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative. Both are negative. X negative, y also negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. This is a maybe. Now, question will be given. I am taking question by own, not from the book. So you follow this one first, then you can draw this one. You can take the question from the book. Suppose this graph I have taken. This is origin, x-axis minus x, y minus y. One house, and one house you know divided into 10 small division. Second, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. This one minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 8. Each one house divided into 10 small division, that you know, 10 small division. Here also 10 small division. All side 10 small division. So if we mark this position, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, 3. Alright. Now question is given. What? P given. P minus 3 minus 2 or plus 2. Right? Minus 3, 2 given. First of all, what point is given? You locate it in proper quadrant. So x is negative, y is positive. So minus 3 and 2 positive. So this is the point P. Minus 3, 2. Right? Now, after locating the point, read the question what is given. This point and different word will be given: reflected or mapped, it or transformed. Anyone, reflected or mapped. So this point P is reflected in y-axis. Now for this point, which is the y-axis? This is the y-axis now. Now this y-axis will behave as a mirror. Now this is the object distance. Image will be from this side, because it is given P is reflected through P is reflected through origin y-axis. The y-axis is the mirror. So we will take a scale and pencil. With the scale we will draw a straight line perpendicular on the y-axis. Now since it is mirror reflected through y-axis given, up to same distance we will go here, this point. We will write P dash. What is the coordinate of the P dash? Now since P dash is in the first quadrant, the first quadrant x and y both are positive, so coordinate become 3, 2. Right. Then given followed by x-axis. It means after reflection through y-axis we come to P1 followed by x-axis. Now for this point, which is the x-axis? Of course this one is the x-axis. Now this x-axis will behave as a mirror. Right. So again we will draw a straight line and up we will go up to here. Right. Now P double dash. What is the coordinate of P double dash? Since it is in the fourth quadrant, so fourth quadrant x-axis will be positive, y-axis is negative, 3 minus 2. Now question is join the point. To join the point. Now what write the name of the figure? Exact name you have to write. Don't write only right angle triangle. The name of the figure is right angle triangle. Exact name you have to write. Right angle triangle. Now find the area of this triangle. So area half base. This is 3, this is 3. Don't take negative point, you only count the value. 3 this side, 3 this side. The base is 6. And 2 this side, 2 this side. 4. This is 3. Means 12 unit square. Nothing centimeter or meter given, so you have to write unit as well. This is the answer of this question. Do you follow? This is reflection. Now, in the same question, if it is given, find the single transformations. Listen to me. Find the single transformation. What do you mean by single transformation? When we transfer this minus 3 to through y-axis, we are getting this value, and then followed by x-axis, then we are getting 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 we are getting after 2 transformation, one through y-axis, another through x-axis. Same value we will get if we transfer single through origin. Now this origin will behave as a mirror. So this distance up to this distance, same value will be getting. So this is known as the single transformation. So single transformation through origin, and double transformation through y-axis, then followed by x-axis. Now it is written in your book mx. If it is written mx, I ask you the word will be either reflection or mapped, right, or transformed. M stands for mapped. So written here mx means mapped through x-axis. If my mapped through y-axis, mo mapped through origin, mxy mapped through x-axis followed by y-axis. Do you follow? Mxy means map through x-axis followed by y-axis. If myx map through y-axis followed by x-axis. This is the meaning. So in next video, I will again explain something more related to this reflection chapter. Before that, simple one you have to draw as a homework. Thank you very much.